Want to know how to analyze the top pages of any website for SEO insights? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it and uncover valuable information to improve your own website's performance. The first thing to do is find the top pages. If you're analyzing a competitor's site, tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush are your best friends. These platforms allow you to quickly view a list of the top ranking pages by organic traffic. Just enter the URL and they'll show you exactly which pages are performing best in search engines. Now, once you have your top pages, it's time to dig deeper. Start by checking the keywords these pages are ranking for. This is a goldmine for SEO insights. Look for high volume keywords and, more importantly, the keywords with low competition. These are the ones that can give you the edge, especially if they align with your niche. Both Ahrefs and SEMrush show you the keyword distribution for each page so you can focus on what's working. Next, look at the content structure. What types of content are on these top pages? Are they long-form blog posts? Do they have videos, infographics, or case studies? Take note of the content format and the depth of coverage. The more comprehensive the content, the more likely it is to rank. Make sure your pages match or exceed the quality of what you're seeing. Don't forget to analyze their backlink profile. Backlinks are crucial for SEO, so look at the referring domains for the top pages. Using a backlink tool like Ahrefs, you can easily see where these pages are getting their links from. Are they getting links from high authority domains? Are there any patterns in the types of sites linking to them? This is valuable data for your own link building strategy. Another important factor is page speed. If a page is loading slow, it's going to hurt its ranking. You can easily check the page speed using Google's Page Speed Insights or other free tools. If the top pages you're analyzing have high load times, there's a great opportunity for you to optimize your own site and beat them to the punch. Take a look at the user experience as well. Do these pages have clear navigation? Are the CTAs easy to find? Is there a smooth flow to the content that guides the user through without distractions? If you spot a top page that's difficult to navigate, that's a chance for you to create a more seamless user experience and boost engagement. Lastly, pay attention to on-page SEO factors. Are they using the right heading tags, H1, H2, H3? Are their meta descriptions optimized for click-through rate? Are they using internal linking well to guide the user to other important pages on their site? These small details can make a huge difference in rankings. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? When you're analyzing the top pages of any website for SEO insights, the goal is to reverse engineer what's working. Understand the keywords, content structure, backlinks, page speed, user experience, and on-page SEO to make sure your site is as competitive as possible. To quickly recap, first, use SEO tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to identify the top pages. Then, look at the keywords they're ranking for, their content structure, backlinks, page speed, and user experience. Lastly, ensure you're optimizing your own pages with these insights. And don't forget, I've included an exclusive free trial link for my recommended SEO tool in the description below. This trial is only available for viewers of my channel, so make sure you grab it and follow along as you analyze your top pages. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.